Blackheads, those diminutive ebon skin protrusions, often make their presence known on facial expanses, particularly the nose, and occasionally grace the back. These somber projections manifest as obstructions in the sebaceous glands of the skin. Stemming from an excess secretion of sebum, an oleaginous substance, these projections gradually solidify as they amalgamate with deceased skin cells and bacteria. Exposure to atmospheric oxygen oxidizes the sebum, transforming it into a dark hue. When positioned beneath the pore opening, they manifest as pallid or golden elevations, referred to as whiteheads, remaining unoxidized. Before we delve into the details, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. Enumerated herewith are the primary factors contributing to the emergence of blackheads: stress, hormonal fluctuations, hereditary predisposition, inadequate skin hygiene, utilization of cosmetics, tobacco consumption, alcohol consumption, caffeine intake. Embark on the journey of banishing blackheads with these straightforward, natural approaches utilizing readily available household ingredients. Tomato cleansing ritual. Tomatoes, endowed with natural antiseptic attributes, serve as an efficacious remedy for blackhead elimination. Procure a petite tomato, peel and mash it, then administer the mixture onto the blackheads before retiring for the night. Allow it to permeate overnight, subsequently cleansing the face with pristine water in the morning. Lemon exfoliation. Lemon, another natural agent in combating blackheads, can be employed by squeezing a few droplets of its juice into a receptacle, adding salt, and stirring the amalgamation thoroughly. Following a warm water facial cleanse, apply the concoction to the blackheads. Allow it to sit for approximately 20 minutes before rinsing the face anew with warm water. Toothpaste application. A wafer-thin layer of toothpaste applied to the blackheads, left undisturbed for 25 minutes, and subsequently washed off gently with warm water, can yield favorable results. Persist with this remedy for a fortnight to liberate yourself from the clutches of blackheads. Honey therapy. Honey, boasting antiseptic virtues, works wonders for both oily skin and blackheads. Administer honey to the affected regions, allowing it to work its magic for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Baking soda mask. Concoct a paste using baking soda and water, applying it delicately to the afflicted area. Permit it to dry for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water, expunging the oil and debris instigating blackheads. Oatmeal fusion. A blend of oatmeal and yogurt proves benevolent to the skin, aiding in the expulsion of blackheads. Combine 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt, infusing 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and olive oil. Blend these components into a cohesive paste, applying it to the face. Let it linger for 10 to 15 minutes before washing the face with cold water. Egg wash. Raw eggs emerge as a potent home remedy for blackhead eradication. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites, amalgamated with a tablespoon of honey. Smear this mixture onto the blackhead-ridden area, permitting it to rest for 30 minutes before cleansing with warm water. Cinnamon fusion. Prepare a thick paste by combining equal parts of cinnamon powder and lime juice. Apply this amalgamation to the afflicted regions, allowing it to remain overnight and subsequently washing it off with warm water in the morning. If the content resonates with you, express your approval with a thumbs up and share it among your acquaintances. For an abundance of additional recipes and tips, consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.